My shit went off. Cause I got a phone call. I should have called it back. I lost. Well, I was just talking about bullshit. Bunch of bullshit. Me and my cook. Oh, she left me a message. I'll call her back. Yeah, just a bunch of bullshit been going on. And it don't make no sense. It's just crazy how grown people can act like little children. I thought when I came over here I was gonna see some grown people doing grown people things. Y'all doing kid shit. Do something educational. Like I was saying earlier, the damn election coming up. Show us some of them motherfucking candidates what they about. Y'all got a lot of followers on y'all pages. Do that. But like I was saying, ain't nobody gonna tell me what the fuck to say, what to do, and how to do it. And don't nobody control me but the man up above. Like I said, ain't no two-legged man gonna fucking control me or a woman. No. No, no, it ain't happening. I don't do my shit for no views and no clap back. I do this because that's what the fuck I want to do. And the fuck I want to do it. And how I want to fucking do it. And if nobody don't like it, I don't give a fuck. How you doing? I'm me. I'm gonna continue to be me. I had that shit taken away from me one time before. Ain't no two-legged man gonna take nothing away from me like that no more. It ain't gonna happen. We ain't gonna do that. We ain't gonna let that happen. We can't let that happen. It won't be happening. Not in these parts, baby. Sorry. Everybody talking about everybody. Everybody posting on everybody. Everybody mad at everybody. Everybody fighting with everybody. It's gotta get better. It's gotta get better. And I'm just sitting out here on my perch, enjoying some fresh air. I like being outside. Like I said, that's why I started falling funky butt. Cause I thought I want to learn some shit in nature. Learn how to fuck up nature. What I learned from his ass. Then they got this other new man coming along. Gotta lean back. His name go right. Good, frying in a bitch. I don't know if he real. He supposed to be staying in the jungle too, I guess. But I know that motherfucker fine. He's fined. Whoa, fined. He fine. He fine in a bitch. So we gonna see how this go play out. And Nature Boy been on this motherfucker all goddamn day. This motherfucker been live all motherfucking day. I went in there and took a motherfucking nap. I ain't gonna say nap because I was asleep for an hour and a half. Went to sleep. Woke up. This bitch was still on. He bothered. You bothered, baby. That big old nickel got you bothered. He's a big motherfucker. He got you bothered, dude. He been on there ranting right now. Oh, you bothered by Ferry made that video. That was, what is it? You bothered. He bothered. He bothered. He bothered. Yeah, this mug him been on this motherfucker all motherfucking day. All day long. This motherfucker is upset that this new nigga that's living in nature has come along. That shit funny. That shit funny. Ooh, he bothered. See if you doing the right damn thing. That could be you. Don't do right. Then Velvet on him making her little money. He mad about that. Selling a little bracelet. He mad about that. He pissed off about that. Velvet looking good. And that little baby looking good and healthy. Don't look like some motherfucker you got over there. That motherfucker you got over there look like this little stem I got planted out in the yard. Let me show it to you. Cause that's what they look like. See that stick? See that flower? See that butterfly? The little stem? That's what them bitches look like over there. Me feed them motherfuckers. Them bitches hungry. Except for that little chunked up one, that new one you got over there. She ain't gonna be chunked up long. She came over while I was gone. So I left like tomorrow be a week ago. And she came over probably after I was there 2 days. So let's see. By next month. I want to see what you look like, girl, next month. I'm just gonna have all little chunked up butt on you. You got a little chunked up butt on you now. Let's see, you gonna have that bitch come. I'm gonna give you some extra time. So I'm gonna say at the end of the month. Let's see how you be looking. They had a damn party Friday night. The motherfucker party. Boy, I say already was funky on the motherfucker in that motherfucker. I bet it smell like when you piss the bed and stand in front of the stove. Y'all looking nasty. Them dresses on, no draw. You know how ass is when sweat when you working dancing like that. I know raw ass probably was sweaty and a motherfucking water faucet. Oh, I bet her ass was, and you know, ladies, how it smell when it get wet down there, sweat. You know how it smell? Just imagine. And she was on the floor, Raw was doing the Humpty Hump on the floor. Yes, she was on the floor doing the Humpty Bump on the motherfucking floor. All night, they drinking. I even saw them smoking a little. Y'all got some of this good shit over there? Panama. Y'all probably got some good shit over there. I ain't seen him smoke it, but he had it. And it was smoked. Had a little bud burnt on the end. Somebody smoked it. You know what I've been meaning to ask about y'all? Whatever happened to that motherfucking bird they had? Where they got that bird? Excuse me. Where that goddamn bird at? I ain't seen that motherfucking bird. Did y'all use the motherfucking bird for protein? Did y'all eat it? Here you go. Where the damn bird at? I just thought about where that damn bird at. I love my Henderson. I love my Hennessy. Just give me a little sip. A sip I do. Yeah, them all them little girls over there look, man, y'all look bad, baby. Y'all look bad. And the men don't look no better. They tired, y'all. The men, they tired, but they scared. Ain't nothing like having a scared nigga. Scared of another nigga. Scared. They ain't happy. Ain't none of them happy. They faking it to be happy. Well, that's what happens when you lie and pretend. You got consequences. These y'all consequences. When I drink my Hennessy, I like to turn into Henrietta. Henrietta don't give a fuck. Measy don't either. But Henrietta a little stronger than Measy. Let me stop before y'all be saying this motherfucker got split personality. I ain't got no motherfucking split personality. But I do tend to talk a little bit more shit when I get to drinking. Tell you that now. I do that. I do. Yeah, I think nature's scared of the Mr. Guru man. Goko, not Gakko, Goko. He worried about Mr. Goko, Geko. The brother fine though. Ooh wee. Well, guess I'll get off of here. Finish doing what I do. Peep around, see what's going on. And come back another day. On a better way. Now get y'all ass out there and find us some candidates to vote for on this damn election shit. Okay? Go.